Odd Kinds of Real Estate has been a great experience so far, great working with them. They've helped me to launch my podcast, guiding me through this whole process, showing me the ropes. They included some coaching, so answering my questions of how does this work? What does the process look like? How do you be a good, effective host on a podcast show? And then they take the reins as far as once the videos are recorded, they do all the editing for you. They break it into reels. They send everything out, and they have their whole network of guests that they reach out to. So if you don't have a big guest list, they'll reach out to their own network and they'll fill up your schedule with guests and keep you booked so that you got a nice backlog of episodes. And so it's been great. It's been great working with Katya and the team, and just love working with them so far as we go through it. And also the first few episodes that we launched, we've had quite a few views on there and increased my subscriber base on YouTube quite a bit just the first week. Really happy about that as well. So if you're looking to do a podcast, especially centered around real estate, then this is a great platform and a great company to work with.